Hey guys, and welcome back to the Grow Your Brain YouTube channel. Today we're going to draw dinosaurs inspired by the how-to dinosaur books. So here we go. First, I'm going to start by drawing the head. I drew the head in 3 parts. I'm going to start off by going up, then coming down, then coming back around for drawing part of the mouth. Then on the back side of the head, I'm going to draw another little mountain. This acts for the eyes. Then I'm going to complete the head by drawing in the jaw at the very bottom of the head. Now I'm going to draw an eye. My dinosaurs are more cartoon than realistic. Next, I'm going to come in with some zigzags on that middle part of the head where the mouth is for the teeth. Then I'm going to draw 2 black ovals to act as the nostrils. The next part we're going to do is we're going to draw 2 short lines underneath his jaw for his neck. Then we're going to come out and draw part of his body. In the middle, I'm going to draw a half oval coming up and then 2 little lines on either side of that to look like his arms. And here it is, all colored in. Now yours doesn't have to look exactly like mine, but similar. Next, we're going to draw something that looks similar to a stegosaurus. So I start with a long line and a curve around, kind of like you're drawing a candy cane. Then underneath that curve, I'm going to draw a line down and then curve up. This is going to be the neck and head of our dinosaur. Now I'm going to work on the legs. I'm going to draw a short leg right underneath that curve, and then right next to that I'm going to draw a leg in the similar shape but a little bit longer. So it looks like there's a front leg and a back leg. Now I'm going to start on the body. So I go back to that top line, I go up, down, and curve back up and stop the tail. Now I'm going to come back under and draw the belly. Next, I'm going to add 2 more legs, like I said, a short one in the back and a little bit longer in the front. I'm going to go back to the top and add an eye. And then I like the spikes on the dinosaurs, so I'm going to draw some more spikes. And it's just little zigzag lines. On this one, I messed up and went too far, and because I was doing it all in one stroke, when I erased it, the whole line disappeared. So I had to start all over, which is perfectly fine. It gave me time to perfect my drawing. And then I didn't like the shape of the head, and I went back and changed that too. There's going to be things that you like about your drawing and things that you don't, but it took me a couple of tries to draw this dinosaur just the way I liked it so I could show you how to draw it. Practice makes perfect, whether you're reading, writing, or anything else that you need to do. So, you might have to watch this multiple times and practice it multiple times. Here is my finished product all colored in. I hope you enjoyed this video and feel free to share. Enjoy!